Hello, I'm David Cassidy with the market summary for the week ending Friday, the 20th of November. The continuing tug of war between the upsetting coronavirus infections and hospitalizations on the one end and the coronavirus vaccine optimism on the other meant that most global equities markets ended the week flat. Whilst new restrictions in the US, for example, California ordered a 1-month nighttime curfew, whereas New York closed schools, while it may bring back memories of the lockdowns earlier in the year, it doesn't mean that one end of the tug of war is imminently about to land in the mud, as today is very different than back in March. Although we appreciate and understand it's very easy to focus on the immediate health and economic challenges posed by the resurgence in infections, we don't believe these are a match for the prospect of a post-vaccine world in 2021, thanks to the recent success of the vaccines from Pfizer, Moderna and AstraZeneca. These successes point not only to a return to normalcy during 2021, but also a rapid economic recovery. And as a consequence, it's important to maintain a long-term perspective and look forward to upside potential for global stock markets, as we don't believe this return to normalcy has yet to be fully reflected in equity prices. Additionally, the difference today compared with the March lockdowns is that the US economy, which remember is the largest economy in the world, is continuing to recover from the outbreak. For example, last week we saw US industrial production data increase again during October, while capacity utilization rose to 72.8%, which is well above the low of 64.2% back in April. Furthermore, global trade is likely to improve under a Joe Biden presidency. Looking ahead this coming week, despite it being a shortened week due to Thanksgiving in the US, we have lots of important economic data releases, including US consumer confidence, the Chicago Fed Activity Index, US durable goods orders, and the US weekly jobless claims, which will be released on Wednesday rather than Thursday due to the Thanksgiving holiday. Additionally, we have US, UK and Eurozone PMI data, along with Japanese industrial production and Japanese retail sales.